We're actually going to get some doors put on the studio to help isolate everybody a little bit. We have, temperature. We can take temperatures at every entrance to the studio as well, with a thing of hand sanitizing pieces, masks, gloves, everything that you possibly need. We also have timers set at every place where we're shooting for every hour to stop the top of the hour and clean everything down, keep it going, trying to work immensely with having the stylist work off of an iPad much more than going back to the shooting station more, which we've been doing for a while anyways, but keeping that distance apart. The trick has been the art direction so far. That's been the hardest one to kind of get over. But yeah, we've separated everybody out, and doing it. We're trying to look at it quickly as a, we're trying to take care of each other. So everybody's willing to do what they need to do.
I love the idea of the timer, every hour stop, sanitize, clean station. I love that.
Yeah.
I'm stealing that. Yeah, we have a non-touch thermometer that we use and stuff as well. I think the other big thing for us is we have so many clients that come to the studio, and or even some of our art directors from our facilities that will come to a studio for shoots. And we're at least right now, we're kiboshing that completely. So for us, the big question has come is we still want that engagement from the art director, though. We still need that, or from the client. And what can we do to better leverage technology to do that? One of the things we've been experimenting with just the last couple of days, or a couple of weeks, excuse me, is I went out and got a couple of little lipstick cameras that actually have little lenses on that have zoom and everything. And they're USB, on like a 10, 12-foot cable. Plug them right in. And then instead of using this camera here on my laptop and trying to, oh, can you see the set type of a thing, I can actually take that lipstick camera and have it mounted on a tripod, what have you, but focused on the set. And I can have that playing to screen. So now that client who would have normally sat off to the side and kind of observed what was happening, or the art director, and maybe said something here or there, they now have a similar visual that makes them feel more like they're there, because they're seeing the environment, they're seeing what's happening on the set easier, and they can, throw out comments or what have you. Again, we're just playing with that, but it seems to be helpful. And again, it's all about trying to recreate the environment of us all being right here, but we're not, right? And bringing those others in that way. So